Good evening. This is Selma. It's my pleasure to share with you the speech entitled Introverts, Extroverts, and Everything in Between. At one point or another, you might have asked yourself if you're an introvert, extrovert, or it depends. With the discussion of this issue, I started asking myself this question for the first time and haven't gotten an answer that is good enough for my personal traits. Well, I think I'm more of an introvert based on how and where I get my energy from. I need lots of quiet time to focus on my inner thoughts and ideas. I also love being in solitude because that is when I feel most comfortable and how best I can recharge my energy. From another point of view, I also fall near the extrovert end. For example, I enjoy meeting people and having fun in social interaction. I also love chatting, laughing, and cheering people up. According to the experts, when you have struggled with the question if you're an introvert or an extrovert, there's a good chance that you're an ambivert, which means someone who is a little of both. Psychologists even say nobody is 100% one or the other. Almost all of us are ambiverts to some degree. Wow, stunning, isn't it? Now here are some ways or signs that can help you self-identify yourself to be an ambivert. While introverts prefer to listen and extroverts prefer to chat, an ambivert will likely have no trouble with either. Also, you need your me time just as much as your social time. Next, while you get energized by being around others like extroverts, you also get energized by spending time alone. Here are 3 more signs. You prefer a balance of both solo and group work. You appreciate good conversations and also value comfortable silence. Small talk doesn't bother you, though you also love deep conversations. These signs you may be an ambivert show that you're flexible and can change depending on your individual needs in any given moment or situation. Among various ways to describe introversion or extroversion, I found this definition most fascinating. Please check it out. Introverts focus inwards into their own thoughts, and extroverts focus outwards into the world. With further discussion, I also came to learn what makes people more introverts or extroverts. Genes. Genes are a factor that causes someone to be one or the other. One major difference between the brains of introverts and extroverts is the way we respond to the neurotransmitter dopamine. Dopamine is a chemical released in our brain that motivates us to seek external rewards like excellent academic and professional performance, a raise, a promotion, or great success. Scientific studies show that the brain of an introvert can respond dramatically to a very mild stimulus of dopamine, but The brain of an extrovert tends to need a stronger stimulus to have the same reaction. Understanding your personality traits and what triggers your motivation and behavior is a powerful tool. The more you know yourself and your needs, the more you'll thrive as a person. No matter what personality types we have, introversion, extroversion, or ambiversion, we can always celebrate our differences and learn from each other to become a better version of ourselves. Thank you for your attention.